The best way to improve eye health with eye training courses. Do you want to get better eye health and improve your eyesight naturally? If so, you might be interested in the eye training programs that teach you how to do exercises that can improve your vision by relaxing your eye muscles, stimulating your visual cortex, and enhancing your peripheral vision. In this video, we will explore what eye training courses are and how they work for your eye health. What are eye training courses? Eye training courses are programs that teach you how to do eye exercises that can improve your vision naturally by relaxing your eye muscles, stimulating your visual cortex, and enhancing your peripheral vision. Eye exercises are based on eye muscle training for natural flexibility improvement of the connection between the eyes and brain, which is the optic nerve. Eye exercises aim to eliminate the root causes of poor eyesight, such as spasm, eye tension, and a lack of eye movement, and not just to eliminate symptoms like with eyeglasses. Eye training courses can be done online, depending on your needs and preferences. Some examples of online eye training courses are Eyesight Academy, Natural Vision Improvement, and Eye Exercises for Better Vision. Some examples of eye training courses are Bates Method, Vision Therapy, and Eye Yoga. How do eye training courses work? Eye training courses work by teaching you how to do exercises that can improve your vision naturally, by relaxing your eye muscles and improving its flexibility to regain accommodative functions, stimulating your visual cortex and enhancing your eyesight. Eye exercises vary depending on the type of course, but they generally involve relaxing your eye muscles. This can be done by doing techniques such as palming, blinking, swinging, sunning, and massaging. These techniques help you to release the tension and strain in your eye muscle, which can cause blurriness, fatigue, and headaches. Eye muscle flexibility. Spasmodic eye muscles not working. We need to regain the ability of the eyes to focus with eye exercises. We stretch and renew accommodative functions, stimulating your visual cortex. This can be done by doing techniques such as looking up, left, right, and far, and at different colors and shapes. These techniques help to activate and strengthen the visual cortex, which is the part of the brain that processes visual information, enhancing your peripheral vision. This can be done by doing techniques such as expanding your field of vision, noticing details in the periphery, and moving your head and body. These techniques help to increase your awareness of peripheral vision, which is the part of vision that detects motion, depth, and contrast. By doing eye exercises regularly and correctly, you can improve your eyesight naturally by increasing the flexibility, adaptability, and sensitivity of your eyes and brain coordination. If you want to try eye training courses for yourself, you can check eye training course Eyesight Academy, a link in the description below.